Ooh, look at this, guys. But there's more even on the ground. But just wanted to show you guys. Check this out. What's up, everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio coming from Lagos, Nigeria. Can't you hear all the sounds of hustling and bustling? Anyways, our car broke down. I think timing belt or battery or something. So I had to call my manager to come and handle it. And I'm on my way to the farm. I have to go meet the farm consultant and we have to develop a harvest plan. So, a lot of noise. But anyways, so we are actually gonna take public transportation to Ogun State. So we are in Lagos right now, and there's even a lot of traffic anyways. So I usually like to leave early, but today I did not leave early because the person I was meeting wanted to meet later in the day. So we are at Ojoju Bega. So that's where we're at. Alright, so I'm gonna find POS. I think we're gonna catch a public transportation to like a specific highway interchange and then catch another bus to now go to Kabakwe area. I was like, you know what? This would be a good video for me to vlog and take you guys on this journey. So we're walking to the bus stop now, and I think that we might just stop by KFC real quick to fuel up. So that's where we're gonna go, by this gas station. Just to fuel up. But we'll be on our way. Look at that beautiful spot. Okay, we want something for both of us now. Like rice and chicken. Rice and chicken. You guys have jollof rice and your fried rice? Yeah, I got fried rice. Fried rice is ready. Okay, so we'll take fried rice and chicken. Whichever meal you guys have. That's streetwise. We'll do the streetwise. How much is it? One chicken? Okay, 2 chicken. Okay, we'll take the one with 1 chicken. No, we're taking it. So I'm ordering food to go at the KFC. I'm taking the streetwise, which is just jollof rice and the chicken. And she said it's 1,750. So that's roughly like $2.50, somewhere around there. But the other one is 3,750. Wow, that's so high. Things have really gone up in price. So 3,750. And again, when I talk about high, I'm a Nigerian, I'm on a Nigerian budget. So 3,750 high, but equivalent to dollars, that's probably like $1, 2, 3, like $5 roughly. But that's a lot. That's what some people earn in a day of work. Is what that costs on average. Thank you, Mom. We'll just get our current.
The size of the Pepsi or tin?
Tin, please.
2.
Ooh, it comes with a drink. I forgot to get my face towel.
Nice 5 poster. Separate.
By the way, when you do a transaction in Nigeria, they will always ask you if you have a current account or a savings account. And I think current account is similar to like a checking account. That's what I can equate it to. So I have a checking account, so I always tell them current. But I think a lot of people have savings. Thank you. So 5,400 now. 2 minutes of rice and chicken. Well done. Thank you, Mel. You too. Have a nice day. Alright, so we got some food. So we're gonna now go find the bus stop where we're going. I say that, I want to... Lagos is just very fast. I love it though. But I would want to... I like the serenity of Ogun State. You guys will see the difference. When we get to Ogun State versus Lagos, it's just, it's calm. I have two tasks. I have to get a face towel and I need to get POS. Oh, camera down. Alright guys, we had to stop earlier because we went past the security Nigerian army people. So they was like, dude, why are you recording us? So we had to pause the camera real quick and say sorry, we're just vlogging. No vex, my guy. So he let us go. But people like, especially people like police, military, any public officials, they don't like you to record. They feel like you're going to incriminate them or something. Anyways, we're almost close to our bus stop. Okay, so we're now at the place where we have to catch a bus. So there's Shagamu, there's interchange, and then there's Abeokuta. So I think we might try to catch the one that goes towards Abeokuta and then drop off at Koba. Okay. Hello. 3,000. Okay. Alright. Hey, fruits, mama, come on. Mama, you know they sell? Anyways, so it's 3,000 naira to go to Abeokuta and we're just gonna drop off at Koba area. So we're taking this bus. So that's where we're taking. But before we hop on the bus, I need to get some fruits. Let me see how much. Maybe she's shy. Maybe she's camera shy. Are you shy? We're not gonna record you now. Guys, so I found a POS and I found some fruits. So that's it. I'm just gonna get some cash out. You don't give me the change. Okay. So we got a fruit box for 300 naira. And then we're gonna take 10k for POS. This one done. So that's what we're doing. So the only thing I need to find is they're waiting to fill this car up and then we'll go. Alright, so typically with the POS, it costed me 300 naira to get 10k. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Alright guys, we're still waiting. So we're waiting for this car to fill up. There's like 3 seats that they need to fill up before we can go. So I was asking them, why is it so high? They said it used to be 2,000 naira, but since the fuel price kept going up, they bumped it up to 2,500. And when the fuel price went up again, they had to bump it up to 3,000 naira. So inflation and high prices are just, people are trying to adjust and do their best. They were very nice with me. They've been chatting with me, but I didn't want to, I don't think they felt comfortable on cameras, but I would have loved to record my interaction with them. But they said I sound like I don't look like I'm from here. But when I talk to them, I try to change, I tried to speak Yoruba or change my accent, but they can still tell regardless anyways. But anyway, so we are here at Ojoju Bega, just waiting to fill up this car. But this one goes all the way to Abeokuta, which is cool though. So next time I would know that if you live in Lagos, you can just catch this one public transport to Abeokuta. That's cool. All right, we got one person. Ooh, we got 2. We're almost filling up. Abeokuta here. But there's traffic. Oh, actually no, the road is free. It's just the garage that's filled.
But that's African too.
Yeah. That's it on the way. The car is actually a lot more comfortable than I thought it would be. You know, I'm 6'4", so you guys will see. Take a look very well at Lagos now. Look at all the Mahala. Freedom from the garage. We're heading out. rice that we got from KFC. Got the fried rice. And then the chicken.
Thank you, bro.
Oh no,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Oh. Guys, we are in Kabakwe area in the States. Let's go find that Dash. Ooh, I need to call her Dash. Well done, man. Hey, my boss. How you doing? Long time. Yeah, Dash. Oh! Hello, sir. How are you, sir? Nice to see you. Welcome. How was it? Sorry, the car broke down, so we had to catch public transport. So I Mr. Plantain. So we just catch the bike. Okay. See, all three of us 50.
But I think Speedo.
Oh, Speedo is there. But you we need 2 bikes. Most Speedo is not fast. Okay. So we are here now, so now we need to catch the bike to go to the farm. I wonder how much it is now. So last time when we used to catch the bike, I think it was like 1,000 naira. It's probably maybe 1.5 or 2K now. We'll see. Ooh, I love these fresh ones here. How far is this? How far is it?
So they said just within 2 minutes.
Okay. Alright. So we'll catch the bike. Alright, our bike. Oh, we are out. I've been riding bike with this guy for almost 2-3 years now. He's like family practically at this point. And that's the second crew in the back. Off we go. I see some plantains, that means we're close to our farm. Yeah, those plantains over there, that means we're getting close to our farm. Alright, welcome to Adio Agro Market. We're now on the farm. I had to go through the farm with our farm consultant. I had to have a long chat with the manager, try to fix all the obstacles we're facing. But the good news is all of our cassava, gosh, I wish I brought a cutlass. But anyways, all of our cassava are ready to harvest. So let me even show you guys. Let me see if I can harvest them. Look at this, guys. But there's more even on the ground. But just wanted to show you guys. Check these out. So typically, this is what they used to make gari, fufu, all types of stuff that you guys like. This is it. So guess what? We have a whole bunch of this that we have to harvest. So yeah, so that is, we have like, how many acres of cassava do we have? Holy crap. I think we have like 15 or 20 acres of cassava all the way around that you guys are seeing. You guys see some of them, they're literally taller than me. I'm 6'4". Come and see this one, guys. But with farming, weed management is literally the most challenging thing to do. But anyways, I'm happy that we got this. Look at this, guys. I'm 6'4", look at this. They're tall. Can you imagine, like, oh, let me show you guys something. Let me go back to what I just harvested. Where did I even put that from? Okay, so guess what, guys? This is what is awesome about farming. So this sticks right here, this is when we planted, literally we started with this. This is how we just put it here, sideways. This is how a lot of it was planted. And this one thing grew up to one of those sticks. Isn't that really cool? So now as we're expanding our farm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7. This one thing can recreate 6 or more 7 plants of cassava. Isn't that amazing? Anyways, guys, I'm not gonna walk the whole farm. I just want to show you guys kind of the updates on the farm, just to kind of see where we're at. And then once we clear all of these off, we will clear and then get ready to plant another thing. So that is just a preview of the cassava area. Now I want to take you guys to go look at the plantain. But yeah, this is the plantain. You guys can literally see the distance that we planted it from here to here. That's why you guys see like a straight line. Anyways, there's so much plantains. But anyways, there's so much plantain. Now, I'm just kind of coming to inspect. So we had some labor issues that we need to sort out. So the maintenance have gone a bit down. So right now we're just trying to work to get some labor to kind of clean it up. So we need to weed a little bit. We need to get rid of the dead leaves. And we need to start taking out some of these suckers. Sometimes we have one that grow like 5 of these. And this is like the successor. After this one grows fruits, this one takes over. So we need to take 2 or 3 of them and expand. So our goal is to expand the farm to a much better location than where we're at now. So we'll be slowly transplanting these and planting in a new location. Especially for you guys that are investing in the new Agro Park Phase 2, we'll be doing this and taking it over there. Anyways, if you guys are looking for suckers to buy, hit me up. I got you covered. We have plenty. So yeah. Anyways, I just kind of wanted to just give a brief kind of... I wanted to take you guys on the journey of catching public transportation from Lagos to the farm. But yeah, we got plenty of work to do. So once we get all of this cleaned up, I'll come back again and show you guys the renewed vision. A lot of these things, some of these plantains are actually already fruiting, but I think we're like 2 to 4 months out from all of this fruiting. But we need to stay on top of it with we might have to apply some fertilizers potentially to this to kind of help them. But we definitely need to prune, we need to weed, we just need to stay on top of it. And rainy season is amazing because it helps things grow, but it also helps weed grow. So we're trying to manage that. But anyways, guys, that is the end of the video. Oh, by the way, if you guys are interested in the Green Paradise project, we're kicking off this December. There's plenty of lands available for you guys want to purchase it. Go to thegreenparadise.com or hit me up in the number below and we'll chat. And also, if you're interested in investing on our next farming project, Agro Park Phase 2, hit me up. We would love for you to join our community. And lastly, guys, remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.